In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own avatar in HeyGen, Step-by-Step Guide 2025. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type HeyGen and press enter. From the results, choose the official HeyGen website. Take a quick second to confirm you're on the genuine site by checking the domain and branding so you avoid any lookalikes. Once you're on the homepage, navigate to the Avatars section. This is where you'll manage existing avatars and create new ones. Click Create New to start a fresh avatar. When you're asked how you want to begin, choose Start from a photo. This option builds a lifelike avatar using a single picture, which is ideal if you want something that closely matches your real appearance. Click Upload Photo, then select Photos to open your computer's file picker. Locate the photo or selfie you want to use. For best results, choose a high-quality front-facing image with even lighting, a neutral background, and no sunglasses or heavy filters. Keep your face centered, look straight at the camera, and avoid hats or anything covering your features. Once you've selected the image, click Upload and give it a moment to process. Back in HeyGen, you may see an option to create a new avatar from that photo. Go ahead and select it to proceed with your upload. Next, give your avatar a name. Pick something descriptive that helps you recognize it later, like your name plus a version or role. If you change your mind, you can always rename it afterward. Click Continue to lock that in. Now it's time to select the avatar's voice. Browse the available voices and listen to previews to find a tone, accent, and energy level that match your use case. Whether that's professional and calm for tutorials, friendly and upbeat for social posts, or something more conversational. If your audience speaks a specific language or dialect, choose a voice that aligns with that for clarity and authenticity. Once you're happy with the voice, click Next. HeyGen will finalize your avatar, and processing can take a short while depending on your photo and settings. When it's done, your avatar is ready to use in projects and videos. You can return to the avatars area anytime to manage or reuse it. That's it. Simple, clear, and effective. Follow these steps, use a great photo, and pick a voice that fits your style. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating with HeyGen.